Hey guys, my name is Elijah and in this tutorial I will show you how to change username on Crunchyroll. First go to your profile picture and then click on your profile, this pencil icon. Now as you can see I don't have the username yet, and as you can see create a username to be ready for future experiences and make sure pick one because it can't be changed. So the first one you pick you cannot change it. But if you want to change it anyway, it should be able to be done. Just go all the way to settings right here and then all the way down. Click on Help Center right here. And here click on Account and click on Contact Us. Here describe your problem, and usually, as I found, they will change your username. It takes a while, and it is also make sure that you haven't changed it recently. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.